Hi, my name is Edwin Beek, founder of the Wildlife Friends Foundation Thailand, or in short, WFFT. Having worked in wildlife rescue for over 25 years, I've seen a lot of suffering by wildlife and other animals as well. But seeing the practice of coconut picking by these animals continuing for so long, it needs to stop. We need to make this happen. These are pigtail macaques used for the picking of coconuts for the industry of coconut products all over the south of Thailand. And a lot of these products are actually exported to Western countries. A main point is here that these animals are taken from the wild. Pigtail macaques, the northern and southern one, both species, are under a lot of pressure in the wild because of this practice. And it needs to stop. This challenge has been huge, and we finally have some good news. The Thai government, the industry, the exporters, even the farmers are willing to work together with WFFT in lowering the demand and eventually stopping the practice altogether. The change in the industry is not just taking the animals away. The coconut trees that are currently used are so high that you can't pick the coconuts with a piece of wood or bamboo, or even for humans to climb those trees is too dangerous. We've made an arrangement to slowly change those trees to a shorter species. Eventually, there's no need for monkeys to be used any longer. This whole task will take a few years, and in those years that we're implementing this, we start rescuing monkeys actually quite fast. This is a huge challenge. WFT has managed to find a plot of land where we can build a rescue facility for hundreds of monkeys if necessary. And we're going to ask your help to find the funds, to purchase the land, to build the enclosures, to build all facilities necessary for a top world-class sanctuary. To give them a second chance in life as close to nature as possible, away from exploitation. These monkeys need your help. They need a second chance in life, like we all do. Please help us with the coconut monkeys of Thailand. Thank you.